Very good morning to all of you. Myself Shrikant Bhardwaj, your host, and you all are welcome in Bhardwaj classes. Today we will learn how to pronounce the umlauts and the Esset. Okay? So, special German alphabets. Now, when we talk about the umlauts, we are having three umlauts. A with a 2 dot over it, O with a 2 dot over it, and U with a 2 dot over it. Now, how they are different from the regular A, O, U, we will learn this. When we are talking about the umlaut A with a 2 dot over it, it is not pronounced as A. It is not pronounced as A. It is A. It is A. So what you will do here, you will not stretch your mouth to the full, but you will prolong your sound. Okay? आप अपने माउथ को पूरा स्ट्रेच नहीं करेंगे, आप अपनी साउंड को थोड़ा सा प्रोलोंग कर देंगे. ओके? सो लाइक दिस, A. Now, example we are having where, Egyptian. Egyptian means Egypt. Egyptian means Egypt. Mena. Okay, means man. Now, umlaut O, that is O with a double dot. It is sound as U. That is, you will round your lips and pronounce E, German E. Okay? So, it is U. It is from the middle of your throat. Okay? So, जब आपको umlaut O को pronounce करना है, so it is like this, U. आपको lips को round करते हुए जो है E pronounce करना है, German E. So, U. Okay? So, Ostergeig means Austria. And Kuhnen. Like third umlaut, we are having U with a 2 dot. It is pronounced as U. It is pronounced as EU. Okay? So, it is sound from the bottom of your throat like Uber. Means over. Überrascht means surprised. Übung means exercise. Now we are having Esset. It is known as Esset. It's a combination of S and Z. Esset. Example, Spaß means fun. Heiß means hot. Heiße means to be known or called of. So this Esset, it looks like the beta and it's a sharp sound of double S. Now, one very important thing, one बहुत ही important चीज है, ठीक है? ये जो Esset है, इसको you will not find, आपको ये आपके keywords में नहीं मिलेगा. You will not find this in your keywords. So how you will going to write this? What we will do? We will write Alt plus 0223. We will write Alt plus 0223. जब हम कीबोर्ड पर Alt plus 0223 लिखेंगे, we will get this Esset. Then similarly for the umlauts A, O, U. For the umlaut A, O, U. We will write Alt plus 132, Alt plus 148, Alt plus 129. Now, capital, जब आपको जरूरत हो to write them in capital, we are having Alt plus 142, Alt plus 153 and alt plus 154. So these two, they are the short keys. I hope so you will like this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.